part 2 of this tutorial, we will learn 2 algorithms that we will be using to solve Rubik's Cube. In practice, there are several methods or approach to solve this Rubik's Cube. But in this tutorial, we are going to follow what we call as layer by layer method. It means we will start with one color at the top face and then finish joining that color in layer 1 completely. Then we will move on to layer 2 and align the edge cubelets with matching colors. And then we will finish layer 3. So at the end we will have one color in each face, which we call as a solved Rubik's Cube. So now on to algorithms. One is all about left algorithm or formula, and the other one is the right algorithm. Here algorithm is nothing but just a sequence of movements of faces. So first let us learn right algorithm. It actually has a set of 4 moves, which are right clockwise, upper clockwise, right anti-clockwise, upper anti-clockwise. These are denoted as R, U, R prime, U prime. Now let's do it. First, right clockwise, upper clockwise, right anti-clockwise, upper anti-clockwise. Let me repeat: R, U, R prime, U prime, U prime. Now on to the second algorithm, which is left algorithm. This is equally similar to the right algorithm with 4 moves, but in the opposite direction. That is, first we will have left anti-clockwise, upper anti-clockwise, left clockwise, upper clockwise, which are denoted as L prime, U prime, L, U. Now let's learn to do that. Left anti-clockwise, upper anti-clockwise, left clockwise, upper clockwise. Let me repeat: L prime, U prime, L, U. Now let's practice these 2 algorithms several times before we begin to solve the cube. R, U, R prime, U prime, L prime, U prime, L, U. Once again, R, U, R prime, U prime. Left algorithm, L prime, U prime, L, U. By the way, while doing, you might have noticed at times I face difficulty in rotating the faces. So what might happen is that these cubelets might get misplaced. In that case, however you try to solve the cube, you will not be able to finish it. You would go on eternally. So one word of caution is that while rotating the faces, pay attention that single cubelet doesn't get rotated. Also get a decent cube so we have a smooth rotation while turning the faces.